Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we are diving into what many consider the best pack of brushes for hair, the Phyyixs 12-pack mini detangling brushes. If you're someone who values convenience, style, and effectiveness in a hairbrush, this set might just be what you've been searching for. First off, this pack includes 12 mini brushes, each in a vibrant and unique color. This variety not only makes it fun to use but also incredibly practical for families, friends, or anyone who likes to have multiple brushes on hand. The compact size makes these brushes perfect for travel. Whether you're heading to work, school, or a weekend getaway, these brushes fit easily in your purse, backpack, or even your pocket. The Phyyixs mini brushes are crafted from high-quality plastic, which makes them sturdy and durable for everyday use. The ergonomic handle design ensures a comfortable, non-slip grip, so detangling your hair doesn't become a tiring task. This attention to detail shows the brand's commitment to making a product that's both functional and user-friendly. What really stands out about these brushes is their gentle approach to detangling. Each brush is equipped with soft air cushion bristles that work smoothly through knots without pulling or causing damage. This means less hair breakage and fewer split ends, which is a big win for anyone who wants to keep their hair healthy and strong. The brushes also feature ventilation holes that promote air circulation during brushing, helping to prevent scalp irritation and making the experience much more pleasant. These brushes are incredibly versatile. Whether your hair is wet or dry, thick or thin, curly or straight, the Phyyixs mini detangling brushes can handle it all. They're also suitable for men, women, children, and even pets, which makes them an all-around grooming essential for any household. Another great aspect of this set is its appeal as a gift. The colorful and practical design makes these brushes ideal for occasions like Valentine's Day, bridesmaid gifts, party favors, stocking stuffers, or classroom rewards. Their bright colors add a cheerful touch to daily grooming and make them a fun and thoughtful present for friends and family. In terms of size, these brushes measure approximately 5.5 by 2.1 by 1.2 inches, making them compact enough to carry anywhere. Despite their small size, they do not compromise on performance, providing an effective detangling experience wherever you go. In summary, the Phyyixs 12-pack mini detangling brushes combine convenience, durability, and gentle care into one colorful and compact package. Whether you're looking for a travel-friendly hairbrush, a reliable detangler for all hair types, or a vibrant gift idea, this set ticks all the boxes. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more product insights, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for updates. See you next time.